Soundproofing a room with foam. Can you soundproof a room with foam? When most people consider soundproofing a room with foam, they're talking about this type of foam, and they're on about covering as much wall surface in the room with this type of foam, thinking that that's going to reduce the noise coming into the room or reduce the noise escaping the room. Now the truth is, to soundproof a room for things like noisy neighbours, you need this type of system. Look how thick this system is. Look at the amount of layers and the different types of layers that's installed to the wall. So we put this on the wall. The amount of layers in this wall system help barrier all those different frequencies of noise that comes through from things like road traffic noise or noise from neighbours. Or if you're making noise yourself, whether that's music, gaming, playing musical instruments, these types of layers, they barrier the different types of frequencies that you'll be producing and prevent them getting into the structure and disturbing your neighbours. So soundproofing a room with foam, will it work? Now here's a bit of foam that I have on my desk, and this is what I'm on about. Can you soundproof a room using foam? I use the foam to reduce the sound energy bouncing around in the room. It will help with the acoustics within the room. It's sound absorption. It absorbs the sound. It's not soundproofing. Now don't get me wrong, we will use acoustic foam in certain parts of our soundproofing when we try to soundproof against noise from neighbours or road traffic noise, but soundproofing foam alone used for soundproofing will not get you a reduction in noise. Acoustic foam installed to all the walls will change the way that you hear the sound. It will change the way that your brain interprets that sound, and because it reduces the sound energy bouncing around the room, but it is not soundproofing. If it really was that easy to reduce the noise using foam, I would certainly go around installing foam rather than these big thick soundproofing systems that we install to separating party walls and floors and ceilings to reduce noise getting into a room. Soundproofing foam is really useful, but using it to soundproof a room alone will not get you the reduction in noise that you want. You'll still feel unsettled, uncomfortable, feeling like you want to move. Follow for more useful tips on how to reduce noise in your home. If you think you've got what it takes to soundproof your own home, click the link in the bio and take the quiz. Take the quiz and I'll send you a free copy of my book, The Noise Free Home.